Guys, welcome in Unified IT Solution. Today's topic is how to configure the DB Connect task server. So task server is nothing like when you install the DB Connect, like I discussed in our last video. Once we install the DB Connect, so we need to configure the task server. So task server, to configure the task server, we require the JDK or open JDK to be downloaded and configured. So today I will show you at the first installation how it look like and how we configure the task server. So let me log into my system. I'll put my username, password. Okay, so you can see here DB Connect app is installed. I just click on it. So it will take few minutes to. So the task server is currently unavailable. Please check your settings. So you can click on more setting. So it will say KV store is enabled, but it's not ready. So I'll just go to the configuration and I'll go to the setting and click on the general tab. So here you'll see the path is defined. So I have earlier tried to configure, but it was throwing error. So I show you how we can do it. So before downloading it, so you should know that JRE 11, 17 and JRE 21 is only supported to the DB Connect. So while you installing or downloading, so make sure only you download either JRE 11, JRE 17 and JRE 21. I accept of this, it won't support. So you can download OpenJDK or you can download the JDK file. So I'll show you. So you can simply go to the Google and type JDK download. Either you can go to the Java download or you can go to the OpenJDK. So I will do today OpenJDK. So I just click on this link and this tab will open. So from this tab you can download, like as we saw, only 3 version of JDK will support it, like JRE 11, 17 and 21. So you can download anyone. So and my system is a Windows system, so I will download the x86-64 JRE. So you can click on the zip machine and from here you can filter out like which version Java you want, which operating system, what the architecture, either Java package or JDK you want. So I will download the JRE version, OpenJDK, and then click on the zip folder. So since I already downloaded, so it's been there into my download system. So it is there, you can click on it and you can extract all. So this will create this folder. Now go to this folder. So inside you see one more folder. So I will just copy this folder. I'll just go one path inside. I'll just copy this. Okay, I will go where my DB Connect app is installed. So under program files, under Splunk, under etc apps, and under the DB Connect folder. You can put it anywhere, but I would recommend it you just put where you can understand that this is used for what purpose. So I'll just put into Splunk app DB Connect and the bin folder. Here you can click, it's already there I guess, but let me check. Yeah, it's already there, but I will just delete it so you guys can understand how it will work. So I just delete it and I will paste it. So it started copying. Now I'll go inside this and copy this path. Just copy this path. So you have to copy up to this folder only and go back to your system. Now put path here and click on the save button. So now wait for a few minutes and it is saying shut down the task server. So it will try to restart the task server. So it will take approximately 2 to 3 minutes, and if it does not able to configure the task server, might be we have to take the restart of our Splunk, because since this is a initial installation of DB Connect, so make sure that if you are doing into production where HF is already running and it's live server, so make sure if you need to restart, you have the proper downtime. to configure the DB Connect. Might be because we need to take the restart of the Splunk server, like not server, Splunk D services. So you should have, if you, it's a newly installed server and it is for dedicated to the DB Connect, might be you can take it restart. So let's wait for a few more seconds and see if it is able to configure, or either we need to take the restart of this Splunk D. So it is saying fail to restart the task server. So what I will do, I'll go to the services, and from here I manually restart the Splunk. Yeah, here the services, I will stop it first. You can do the restart from the UI well, but I will prefer you do it from the services. And don't do restart, because sometime in Windows it does not, it stop, but we think that it been started again, but it won't start. So first stop and then start it. It's about to restart. It restarted, will go back to the system, and it is disconnected, so it will take another 1 minute maybe to refresh the screen. You can refresh it from browser and see. Yeah, so it will take few more seconds to come up the UI. Yeah, it's up, so let's log in. So now go to the configuration and setting and channel. So now it has been configured, and you can see that this error, the task error is no more, and our DB Connect is ready to use. And now you can go to the drivers, what are the drivers are available and what are the drivers are not available. So we can see that there's no driver is as of now configured. I will show you how you can do it manually, or how you can do it automatically as well. So there are certain way to do this. So you can do via download, or you can, while configure the connection as well, you can update the driver in DB Connect. So there are two ways. So now you can see the KV store as well. So KV store is not required, but it's not giving any error. So you can configure the KV store as well, and you can go to the data lab. I will go to that in detail, how to create the DB Connect app and at all, but right now this is just to how to configure. In my next video I will show you how to configure the driver in DB Connect. So thank you guys, kindly subscribe our channel, like our video, and let us know in comment if you need any specific topic to create the video on it. Yeah, thank you so much.